Hello guys, so on this series I'm just going to show you guys. Remember on the last series, in the last series we talked about market structure 1, all right? And if you guys have not forgotten, I told you guys that we have three market conditions, okay? Market structure, the bullish, the bearish, and the consolidation, which is also known as the ranging, all right? So now in this tutorial we're going to just take one of them, and I'm going to explain in detail how it works, all right? So I'm talking about the bullish market structure. That's what we'll be taking today, okay? Let's go pink today. Let's go pink. All right, so we'll be taking the bullish market structure, okay? I remember I said in the last tutorial that bullishness means when the market structure is going what? High. It's going what? High. Okay, so I'm going to explain now. Please pay attention. This is a bit tricky, but you understand if only you pay attention and you practice and understand first, then you practice, okay? So in the bullish market condition, you see the market forming something like this, okay? All right. Now, whenever you have the market forming this, all right, this is called what? Higher low. This is what? Higher high. This is higher low. This is higher high. This is higher low. This is higher high. This is higher low. This is higher high. Higher low. Higher high. Okay, now look at it. I want you to think of this as a person, as you climbing an upstairs, an upstairs. Let me use a different color for the higher high. Okay, let me use a different color for the higher high. So I want you to think of it as you climbing an upstairs, okay? You climbing an upstairs. This is how you're going to see it. Is that correct? Yes, it is. So this is what happens. This is a low point. This is a low point. This is a high point, low point, low point, low point, high point, low point, high point. So at this point, you know this is a what? Low point, right? It's a lower point, okay? So this is a higher what? Low. All right. Now when you move here to this point, this is a higher high. Why? Because this point is higher than this higher low, right? This previous higher low. Now when this retrace comes down, all right, what do we have here? Higher low. Why? Because this low here is higher than what? This low here. So it's a higher low because the low is higher than the previous what? Low. Okay, so this is another high here. This is not a low, this is a high. Remember, this is a high. So why is this called higher high? Because this high is higher than the previous high. Now when it comes here, this is a higher low because it's higher than what? The previous low. This is a higher high because it's higher than this previous high. This is a higher low because it's higher than what? The previous low. This is a higher high because it's higher than what? A previous higher high. This is a higher low because it's higher than the previous higher low. Okay, and then on and on and on. All right, as far as the bullish trend keeps going. Okay, so did you see that? Now you see how it's going up. Okay, all right, so that's how the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low derivation is. Because a market does not move in a straight line. It doesn't move like this. No, it goes like this. It moves in a zigzag form. All right, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. All right, that's how it goes. So all of these movements are called impulsive movement. Don't forget, impulsive. Then these little moves are called corrective movement or retracement. All right, so this is an impulsive move, this is a retracement. This is an impulsive move, this is a retracement. It's trying to correct, just as the name is here. Okay, this is an impulsive move, this is a what? Correction. This is an impulsive move and then correction. Okay, so that's how the market works. That's how the bullish market trend moves. This is a healthy what? Bullish chart. Okay, the market keeps going up, keep forming higher highs, higher lows, higher. So whenever you see the market forming higher highs and higher lows, it's a what? Bonafide bullish market condition. Okay, all right, I hope this is very, 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 very explanatory. All right, so let's move to the charts and see how these things are on the charts. Okay, let me look for a very good example that you can easily relate with. Good, very good. And now look at this point. Look at from this point to this point. I want you to take a very good look at it. From this point, stop picking it. Okay. So big. All right, look at it. Look at it. Is it going up or down? Down. All right. So this is a what? This is a bearish market condition, because if you put your line arrow here, you discover that this is coming what? Down. This is coming down from this point, right? So it's a what? It's going bearish. Okay, then you can see a retracement here, and you can see, oh sorry, this is supposed to be for bullish, right? So sorry about that. It's supposed to be for bullish. It's supposed to be a course on bullish. Sorry, I want to take a clearer one. Good. I think this is going to work. Okay, so if you look at this, you discover that it's a what? It's a bullish market. If you look at this, you discover it's a what? From here to here, it's going bullish. It's going up. It's going up, isn't it? It's going up. Can see? So when you put your arrow from here to here, you discover that the price came here all the way, went back, okay, so see that. Okay, So when you delineate from here, you discover that the market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, down, went up, down, up, up, right? Before it began to show what? Exhaustion here, weakness, then eventually the break of structure and all of that. Okay, good. So look at it carefully. You discover there is a what? You discover that it's a bullish trend from here going up to that point. Okay, so how do I know it's a bullish trend? This is a lower high. Remember, this is a higher low, just as we marked. This point is a what? Higher high, because it's higher than this previous low. Okay, this is a what? Higher low. Okay, because it's higher than the previous low. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Okay, so that's how to identify it. Okay, so one thing I'm going to show you before you go is, remember, when you have this, there is a line here, there's a line here, there's a line here, line here. So whenever you see price break the previous point, okay, at this point there's an intersection here that forms a break of structure, of market structure. See here, the market broke the last high, and that was why, because it broke, price action broke the last high, that's why this one is called a higher high. Okay, and this one, because the market broke the last what? Higher high, that's why this one is called a what? Higher high, because it's higher than the previous higher high. It's higher than the previous high. Okay, same goes for the rest. Okay, so that's all for bullish structure course 1. Okay, so I hope this is very explanatory. So by the next course, we'll take the next lesson, we'll take the bearish, that's opposite of this, of the bullish. Okay, all right, so I'll join you shortly in the next course, which will be taking the bearish market structure. Okay, the bearish market structure. So if you have your questions, you can inbox me or send it down below in the comment section. Okay, I will respond to it, or you can even send me a mail. Okay, following the description, okay, down below. All right, so thank you for paying attention, and I'm Labo Emmanuel. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.